Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to replace audio of your video file with some other audio in Flutter macOS app. So let's get started. So firstly I will show you guys the output. So here I have 4 buttons. Firstly I'll click on pick video. It will open the video picker, and from this I'll just select this particular video. Then I will have to pick audio, so I'll click on pick audio, and here you can see I have this audio file. I can just click on it. Now before I click on merge, I want to tell you one bug which is present inside Flutter. So basically the bug is that whenever we are displaying any native view, in our case it will be the video player, we can't really do any gesture like clicks or drag and drop, those kind of things, because of this particular issue. That's why once I click on merge, I will immediately save the video and stop it, because the audio file is annoying. So I'll just click on merge. So I have clicked on save as well, and if I go to my downloads directory, here you can see the file was saved. Now let's see how to do this in Flutter. So firstly you will have to go to main.dart and you will have to refactor your my homepage widget. So it is a stateful widget. I have created a method channel called video picker platform. I have created one variable called video URL. Now I have created few methods. First one called pick video. So this will basically call the pick video method on native macOS side. Similarly for pick audio as well, and for merge as well. But for merge we will get the video URL of the updated video back, and then in form of result, so we are updating this underscore video URL variable, and once this is not equal to empty, so I'll come back to that code. And for saving, again we are calling the save video method, which is present on Flutter macOS side. So inside our UI, for first button we are calling pick video, second button pick audio, third one merge, and fourth one save video. And here as you can see, if video URL is not equal to empty, then we are displaying a size box, and here we are displaying our my macOS video view and passing the video URL. If you see this my macOS video view, it basically wraps that custom video player like the native macOS video player, which is the AV player. So I have first defined an identifier. Now be careful with this, because you will have to use the same identifier on Flutter macOS side as well. Then I have created one stateful widget which takes a video URL. Then I have created a map which is of type creation params. Then here we have created one key. We are initializing the key as well as passing the video URL inside our creation params. I have also created this did update widget, so that every time we get a new video URL, our widget is updated. And if it is macOS, we are creating an AppKit view, passing key, view type, layout direction, creation params as well as creation param codec. Now you will have to open the XE workspace from your macOS folder inside Xcode. I have already opened it. Firstly you will have to go to sign in and capabilities, and here you will have to, for user selected file, make this is read only. Downloads folder, it is read/write. Same for app sandbox release as well. This should be read only and this should be read/write. Then if I go to general, I have updated the macOS version to 12, and for runner as well, go to info and build macOS deployment target, I have updated it to 12. Then you will have to go to main Flutter window. Here I have imported AVKit first. Then I have created one variable for final URL, one for video and one for audio URL as well. Then here we are creating our Flutter method channel. So once pick video is called, we call the open video picker. So if I'll show you that. So here we are just filtering by videos, and once we have the video URL, we assign it to our video URL method. Next, for pick audio, we call the open audio picker method, and here you can see we are filtering by audios, and once we have that audio, we assign it to our audio URL variable. Then inside merge we call replace audio, which will give us the updated URL of the video which we are sending it back to Flutter side. So if I show you replace audio, here you can see we are creating AV mutable composition, then a file manager, then we create a video asset for our video then we create video composition track as well as video asset track. We are ignoring the audio of our main video file. Then we take the duration of our main video. Then we insert the time range inside our video composition track. Then we create an AV URL asset for our audio URL. We create our audio composition track, audio asset track. Now there are few things which you have to do. So currently what I am doing is that, suppose my audio file length is 30 second, video file length is 20 second, then I want the entire video to be 20 second only. That's why here, as you can see, I'm passing the video duration. But in your case, if you want your video to be also 30 seconds, then you can just uncomment this and pass audio duration over here. Okay, but you will have to be careful. What if your audio duration is less than your video duration? Then your video will get trimmed. So be careful. Like, you can first, I think, compare audio duration with video duration and then do all this logic. But I wanted to keep things simple. Most people would want whatever is their video duration, your audio duration to be same. So here inside audio composition track, I have just passed our video duration. Then here I have created one export path and export URL. If file already exists, we remove that file. Then we create an AV asset export session. We assign our export URL to output URL, create an output file type of MP4, optimize for network use is true, and then we export it. Then the final URL is export session.output URL, and then return the final URL. Okay, now for saving the file, we are first checking if we have access to the downloads directory. If yes, then we check if we have final URL or not. If yes, then we create a destination URL out of it. And then if file does not exist, we return early. If file exists, already exist, then we remove it, and then we move from final URL to destination URL, which is the downloads directory. Okay, then here this is boilerplate code for registering any kind of native macOS view inside a Flutter app. So only thing which you have to be careful about is this identifier. This should be the same what you have defined it on Flutter side. And here I have created one Swift file for this my macOS view native view factory. So if you see this, just create a Swift file, and here we are importing AVKit, and this entire thing which you see is boilerplate code for integrating any kind of a native macOS view in Flutter. Important part is here we are initializing our AV player. Once we get the video URL, we convert it to a proper URL. So we will be getting this from Flutter side. Again, the naming is important. And then we create an AV player, assigning it to our player view, then start playing the video, and then return our player view back. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.